Hello everyone, myself Jandashni Sarangan and welcome to this session on building a simple chatbot with Python. In this video, we are going to explore the importance of chatbots, understand the role of natural language processing, look at the tools we can use in Python, and finally build our very own chatbot step by step. By the end of this video, you will have a working chatbot that you can experiment with and improve. Chatbots have become an essential part of modern businesses. They are available 24 bar 7, answering customer queries at any time of the day. They can handle thousands of conversations at the same time, something that would be impossible for the human team alone. According to reports from IBM, businesses using chatbots save up to 30% on customer support costs. But it is not just about money. Chatbots also enhance user experience by giving instant responses and collecting feedback that helps businesses improve. So, what exactly is a chatbot? A chatbot is simply a software program designed to simulate human conversation. You type or speak and it replies. But how does it understand us? That's where natural language processing comes in. NLP allows machines to interpret and generate human language. For example, tokenization. So the tokenization breaks text into individual words. Then the part of speech tagging identifies roles like nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Named entity recognition detects specific things like names of the peoples, places, or organizations. These techniques together help chatbots make senses of what we say and respond meaningfully. Now, let's look at the tools we will use in Python. First, we have Chatterbot, a very beginner-friendly library that makes building chatbots quick and simple. Then there are NLTK and SPSUI, which are advanced NLP libraries for deeper text analysis and understanding. And of course, we will be working with Python 3.7 or higher to ensure everything runs smoothly and supports the latest features. Let's now build our chatbot in three simple steps. Step 1, installation. We install the required libraries by typing pip install chatterbot underscore corpus. So second thing, the step 2, create a chatbot instance. We create our chatbot by importing chatbot and giving it a name. So third thing is a step 3, train with the corpus. We use chatterbots built in English corpus to train that chatbot with common conversation. That's it. With just these steps, we have a working chatbot. Once trained, our chatbot is ready to interact. We run a simple loop that takes user input, sends it to the bot, and prints the bot's response. For example, if I type hello, the bot will reply with a trained response like, Hi there. The exciting part is the more data and training you give, the more intelligent and versatile your chatbot becomes. This is where you can really customize your chatbot to fit different use cases like customer support, FAQs, or even entertainment. So let's quickly summarize what we have learned. Chatbots provide 24 bar 7 support and save significant cost. They are powered by NLP, which helps them understand and respond naturally. Python has powerful tools like Chatterbot, NLTK, and SPSEY to make chatbot development easy. And in just a few lines of code, we can build a simple chatbot that responds to users. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial on building a simple chatbot with Python. Here are your next steps. Experiment with your chatbot and customize it. Explore advanced NLP with SPACY and even transformers for smarter responses. Try deploying your chatbot on websites or messaging platforms to make it useful in the real world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you later in the next video.